Hi everyone, it's Lisa with InkandInspirations.com. Thank you for joining me today. In this video, I just wanted to give you a few basic tips on using the new Stamparatus stamp positioning system from Stampin' Up. Now, if you reserved a Stamparatus during the first reservation window in November of 2017, then you should have received an email or will receive one shortly telling you how to finalize your order where you can get your Stamparatus that you reserved shipped to you. Those of you, I know there were many of you that reserved during the month of December reservation period. Those have not yet shipped yet, and you will receive notice of that when it is ready to ship. So, but until then, just some pointers on when you unpack your Stamparatus and a couple of things you need to keep in mind. Okay, so it comes with the two platforms, the stamp platforms here. I'm not sure that's the correct term for them, but it's a great tool. I've used it several times, but I just wanted to tell you that when it comes, you store yours, you do not store it in the hinges, okay? You don't want to break those hinges. So when you place the platform inside of the hinge carrier, you hold it at a 90-degree angle like this and just slide it in. Okay, and then it's ready to go. And then this one can go up top, slide in, and then come down. But when you store, you can't fold it over on itself and store it like that. You take a chance on breaking it. Go ahead and lift those up, take them out, and then store them like this, okay? Now, it comes with two magnets, very, very strong magnets. And if they clack or hit each other, they can break, and you can also pinch your finger if you're not careful. To be safe, I have found that I just use one magnet, okay? Usually my image that I'm working with is not very big, and so I have room to place my magnet and it hold it in place, and that's good enough, okay? So there is a place to store the magnets on the back right here. One goes here and one goes here. I keep mine separate because I don't want anyone in my class or my club to take a chance on pinching their fingers, okay? That's just my personal preference. Many people use the two magnets and keep them stored like that. That's just what I do personally, okay? Also, when you're using and stamping with photopolymer stamps, there's this little foam cushion to give that extra cushion for photopolymer. You know, we recommend that you use a Stampin' Pierce mat when you stamp with photopolymer without the Stamparatus. Well, with it, you need a little bit of cushion here, and so this provides that for you. Okay, all right, so that's just a few tips that I wanted to share with you in my using of the Stamparatus. Be sure you visit my blog at InkandInspirations.com. I'll have links and some more videos posted there for you to watch on this fabulous new tool from Stampin' Up. It will be available to everyone beginning with the June catalog if you did not get in on the reservation period. So the new annual catalog that comes out in June of 2018, the Stamparatus will be available. So get excited. It's a great tool, and I know you're going to love using it. Take care and have a great day. Bye-bye.